Where's Luke? It's just a head. It's literally beautiful outside right now. We're being quiet because everybody else is asleep, but we had to get the shot.
Good morning, boys.
Today we're gonna throw Thomas in the water.
I think I really want to drive this new truck into a river.
No, it's not. Then you're paying for it.
We're gonna go on some cool overview roads.
Some FPV. Hopefully get some cool shots down this little river. Hopefully don't crash into anything. Well, what do you think?
Nice place. How about you? What do you think?
It's pretty cool, especially getting low with the drone. Maybe I should be vlogging. So our plan is we're going to sit here, try to catch some fish. We'll see what happens. We don't even know if there's fish here, but it's pretty cool just right off the road. And then we're gonna go hiking. So let's go. Holy cow, this spot is freaking awesome. Check it out. This ain't the beach.
This is amazing.
Holy cow.
Videoing?
Yeah. Dang, the spot is sick.
This is crazy.
Oh my gosh. Alright, we just got to the trail, heading to the waterfall. Hopefully get in. We'll see. You ready to go?
I'm very ready to go. Mountain man.
Let's do it. This is pretty freaking cool.
This is awesome.
Holy cow. I think we're all about to get in. It's gonna be freezing, but it's gonna be nice. Let's do it.
I do want to go over there too. I want to go check that out.
We have to.
So I want to get in this waterfall. I want to drink from the well of life. I'm about to take my shorts off.
Oh. It's looking good.
Oh, it is.
How's it going?
Doing good.
Smells good.
Making some chicken on the grill.
Sweet. Good job, Luke.
Broke mine in half already.
Can't see anything.
Be careful, because if you miss, you want to be aware of where it's going to swing to. So you don't want to just like hit your knee or anything like that.
You don't want to swing like this.
Yeah.
You probably want to swing like this. Like
Yeah.
that.
And you're like, see one more time. So as you're chopping it, you're not going to go right at it. You're going to look down here, up here.
Hey.
Yeah.
getting it. Thomas, how do you feel now that you're officially a mountain man? How do you feel, Thomas?
I feel like a real man. We're out in the woods, just hanging out, hitting wood. It's great. So where's Hammer? Can you pick it up?
Yeah, there it is. Let's go. Nice, bro.
Alright y'all, so we are in Blue Ridge, Georgia. We have a house for the week from a bachelor trip. We filmed, did photos, just the whole thing, so we can stay here for free this week. Shout out to the owner for letting us stay here. This place is pretty cool. Bro, what did you do?
Turn the jets on, man.
What is this? Put it up in the air.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I got something else on him right now.
Where's Luke? Nice, bro. I feel like I'm gonna disappear. Alright, vanish. Go for it.
It's slippery.
Jeez. There's gotta be some kind of soap or something in there. It's crazy. Alright, so the plan is we're gonna cook some hot dogs, make a little fire, cook some baked beans. It's gonna be good. Right on the river right here. This place is pretty neat. Nice.
Setting her up.
Got a crap on my shirt. You excited for your hot dog?
Oh, definitely.